5 feet wide. 2 cars and 2 wheels.
Drive that thing, drive it till the wheels fall off.
Hey, if the universe needed to humble me, I'm humbled.
When the guy comes, I'm gonna recommend the whole right side because the impact it had was pretty bad.
Messed it up, y'all.
You drive it up. It's your car.
We're dirty, man.
No, I know, but the back wheel's messed up.
It's the same way as me pulling it. Same way.
He said he wants me to pull it up.
Pull it up.
Check this out. It's already cracked.
Yeah.
It wouldn't matter if any more damage to it because this rim is done.
Yeah.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So just go ahead and go slow. We got you up.
Another car down. IP wide. 2 cars and 2 wheels. Can he really drive? Get on the car there, put your bucket. IP wide.
I f***ed up, man.
2 cars and 2 wheels.
I f***ed up, man. Basically what happened was I was in the middle lane on the 405 and I was like going to change lanes and it's obviously raining like pretty bad. I go to change lanes. As I'm like changing lanes to get in the left lane, I lose control of my car and my car is literally in the middle lane. Now it's going like this, it's going like this, going like this, and it's going like this, and I'm like flipping the wheel back and forth trying to get it to straighten out, and there's cars all around me, and luckily I didn't hit any of them. So as I'm like catching the car, I see like a median on the right side, and then there's like a little raised portion of the median that I see, and my car, the back right tire hits an impact, and that actually stops my car from spinning out anymore. And then I try to pull over to the right lane, and there's a freeway merging onto the 405, and there was an impact with a Honda. You know how we love Hondas, and that's what happened to my car. So I'm actually lucky to be alive, because I thought I was gonna like hit a wall or do like a 180 and have oncoming traffic hit me.
I was here to save.
Yeah,
you know, man.
Yeah. Thank God.
I didn't. You know what I mean? I didn't go on the Escalade with this 10,000 horsepower.
I know.
You know,
thank God. Yeah, put another rim.
This will be fixed. This is knick-knack.
Yeah, he gonna wrap it anyway.
Yeah, I'm getting it wrapped. Look at this thing.
Wrap?
Jeez.
Oh, I like that. Aerodynamic.
Oh yeah, it's
It was
aerodynamic.
Aero, all right. It was in the Aero.
Damn. Yeah, so it's just like some scratches over here. Like,
It could get buffed up.
yeah. Shouldn't be that bad.
Hyphy Whitey out here, man. He about to drive this thing like that, man. Ooh! Drive that thing, man. Drive it till the wheels fall off. Oh, you good? Drive it till the wheels fall off, man. Drive it till the wheels fall off, man. Oh yeah, it's holding up good. Follow the rainbow.
Just because when they see a car like this, they'll start saying, well, you know, I don't feel good anymore.
Right,
All that
yeah.
bullshit. You gotta be careful with that crap.
Yeah.
Most of the stuff might get buffed out.
Yeah.
Possible. Yeah. Yeah, of course the wheel's junk. We'll get a new wheel, new tire, it's not a problem.
So what do you think about the wheel though? Like, is that
Your rotor's cracked. You go to your rotor.
rotor's cracked?
See it? Yeah.
So
And then I want to take a look at the suspension too, because when you hit like that,
Yeah.
it kind of amplifies the whole
that's what I was
suspension of the car.
yeah.
And then go from there.
Okay.
Standard McLaren wheel.
Yeah, that's a standard wheel, so we
right.
get that pretty much anywhere.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dealership like that. So we need a wheel guarantee, tire, rotor, and then we'll check the suspension out to see, make sure nothing's bent or broken under there.
Okay.
Come
Come on, bro.
You already do.
Come on, what you gonna go? We gonna
Oh,
go.
hold on, let me go look. Let's go look, see what they got, baby. See what they got for the crash man. Ooh, this Toyota. You got. Ooh, the Kia. Come on, man.
That Kia?
we got?
Woo!
Ooh,
Toyota?
Ain't no Benz here, man.
They said it was getting an oil change.
Oh no, ain't no Benz here, man.
Man, I'll drive a Toyota just for the comedy, bro.
Ain't no Benz here, man.
Which one you thinking, dog?
It's Toyota right here.
The white one? Give me that ugly one.
Yeah, the ugly one is this black one. Kia would set it off. The Kia would set it off. The Kia would set it off.
This is embarrassing, dog. Hey, if the universe needed to humble me, I am humbled. I have the most humility. I swear to God, dog. But you can't stop me. What we
I'm dressing down today because it's raining. Gucci, cheap little sweats from Nordstrom, about $80. It's about 60. See that? I'll be high siding every day. The hat, 800.
Damn.
You know what I mean? Girls, we dressed down today, man. We here getting hypey Whitey a rental car because he tore up his McLaren, being goofy. You know what I'm saying? He got big headed when he went to Dodge Radford School. He thought they gave him a certificate, but it was just the invoice. It was just the invoice. He had it confused. He was like, "Oh, I'm a pro driver now." I was like, "Bro, that's an invoice. That ain't no driver's certificate." He's like, "No, see, when you pay for it right here, that means you certified." And so he, 2 cars, 2 weeks, wrecked. I'm trying to humble him, man.
No, I'm humble. I'm humble.
Let's see what he got on today, boy. They want to see what he infatuated with you, boy.
A little bit.
What you got on there, that boy?
Got that. Shout out to that big boy, Strength Cartel.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Big Boy. Appreciate you for sponsoring a young white man. You know what I'm saying? I'm the only white man on the crew besides Trent. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, this is a
They
Money
go
Muscle
pick that
shirt.
up today.
Yeah. So you can go get this hypelife.com. Use my code YT, okay? Don't be afraid. Use my code. You get a discount. Louis V belt. Damn, that's $800. I'm sorry. I gotta humble myself.
Yeah, humble yourself.
These little jeans. I got these from Oxford Street. Shout out to Oxford Street. The little Jordans about ready to throw away. But yeah, I'm stepping in puddles. I didn't want to, get some nice shoes. But you're rich, so Gucci's. I'm wearing Nikes. Oh, Hypey hat. Available at hypelife.com.
Use code YT.
Use code YT. Ice jewelry. Juice.
Oh, I thought those were just yellow teeth.
Yeah, I got yellow teeth, y'all. Sorry. Don't be mad at me. Don't be mad.
Doing it. You doing it a little bit. Doing it a little bit. A lot of stuff on. Downgrade, boy. About 30,000 right there.
Yeah. I traded the Mac for a GLC.
Yeah,
He hydroplaned on the 405 yesterday.
Yeah, on my McLaren off the back of it. The tire off.
Damn, thank God you're okay, bro.
I know, bro. It was the craziest ever, dude.
I'm gonna keep this about 3 years.
He ain't capping either.
Until I decide to get a Urus or a Cullinan. What's up with it, guys? About to eat some eggs, hash brown. Got some chicken today because I be getting real hungry after eating just this. We got the most famous new hot sauce that hit the market, a Monte. This is the only girl I cheat on my girl Helena with, and she know all about it. You know what I mean? She can't say nothing. So we go tap a little that on that. Then you just tap it. You know, it's a beautiful woman with a nice size. You know, she like Kim Kardashian, or look at her. She's beautiful, man. Look at her, man. Beautiful. So you just gotta tap it real nice. She'll like it rough. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Thank you for the day. Thank you for blessing us. Thank you for not letting Miles get injured. We ask that you watch over us to and fro, keep us safe, keep us healthy, keep us financially wealthy. Watch over our families, friends, associates. Watch over my baby, Baba, my babies. That we live a long, prosperous life. I want to live to 100, Lord. Amen. We got it on boy. My first time getting this chicken like this. Dip it in that Amante. Mmm. Cook. I'm gonna add a little of this with it. Since I eat real healthy now, I like sauces. I like my hot sauce. This is vinaigrette, ain't that right?
Lemon.
Lemon.
Something vinaigrette.
Yeah, so it's lemon in it. Lemon is a delicacy. So lately I've been drinking a lot of lemon. Oh, we gotta go to Trader Joe's. You been making your celery, man?
Yeah.
You've been slacking, man.
No, I've been making it, bro.
Slacking.
Hey, doesn't matter if I got in a wreck or not, I'm still making celery.
That was good. Big boy. Bro, sorry you healthy, man. You had that pizza yesterday. So all that went to his midsection.
Oh, man.
That whole pizza. He ate it all, too.
Yeah.
Except that one slice he gave me. Hypey white.
Ooh.
Damn. A slab like that the other day cost me $67. Remember at Whole Foods?
Yeah.
Whole Foods would have charged you at least $40 for that. Hypey white, I get to pimp you now, boy. They want to see you on camera.
Because I crashed a McLaren, now I can now I can get pimped.
Exactly. You gotta pay what you weigh.
Hey, I weigh about 183 pounds over. Hold on. Raw, lean muscle. Y'all don't know nothing about that because y'all eat like crap, bro.
What, you ain't
I mean,
healthy?
I know I'm paraphrasing from you, but like, bro, if you ain't got veins, you're fat. Like, for real. Well, you got a bunch of sodium.
And hey, I'm telling you, when I went to the hospital,
Yeah.
they get excited when they see those veins.
Oh yeah, they get excited for other reasons,
Yeah, I'm telling you.
not just the veins, buddy.
They're like, oh, it's veiny. It's easy to get to your veins and blood.
Use code YT. Callie keeps forgetting, but you got to use my code, man. I am getting to a bag. Look at that. That's how I give it to her. Yeah, that's it. That's how I give it to her.
You didn't treat her too. You wasn't romantic. Oh no.
Is that how you do it?
You wasn't romantic.
Like this?
Nah.
Oh, look, I got
Exactly.
it all over the place. Well, it was funny. So, for the content.
Goofy mother.
Pamela.
Yeah, but do they have a one? Oh yeah, lemon, blueberry.
Is it really that good?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Don't
okay.
get hooked, man. Stay on your celery up in there. Show people what you got. Stay on that, man.
Yeah.
Let a real man eat this stuff.
Okay. He's a.
Oh, the other one's right there.
Yeah, get that gluten-free one. I know you like that one.
Nah, that's nasty as shit.
Look, that's gluten-free right there.
Oh, they ain't got the regular one?
Hell no. Why would they do that?
You got the regular one of these?
No, I don't
Without the
think so.
gluten? Oh yeah, she duped me. She lied to me.
Oh, that's a bad little liar.
Oh yeah, she lied to me.
That's right.
boy.
Reach back there and get it, man. Get her tip
You
toe.
lied to me, girl. Where she at? Oh yeah, you lied.
Oh yeah.
Lying like the rest of America.
All right, show us what kind of water to get, Callie.
I like this. So I'm a glass bottle guy now.
So why do you like glass bottles?
Glass bottles are the healthiest. They don't peel off that toxins for the plastic. I like to get a little one to, you know, walk around with.
Yeah, grab me one of those.
What it is?
Yeah. Thank you.
Quite welcome, young man. I'm gonna try that pink passion. Antioxidant super tea. $10 for this. Let's see who the competition is.
No, right there.
Oh, yeah, she old and ugly though. We got a young, pretty broad on her. Bandino. Gringo Bandito. Big boy. Gringo Bandingo. Chola Lula. Chola Habanero. Bandito Chichulo Lula.
God.
Big boy. Big boy. He sound like and look like his name too. Well, if you think it, when I say this, this is what he look like. Big boy. I'm a hooting on
I
all
know.
white people. What they gonna say to me?
That's what I was saying. Like, are we gonna do this?
I can't even see what they look like.
Yeah,
Top
'cause
on
look.
the line.
You gotta buy that. Let's see how much you spent.
I thought it was Whole Food etiquette to leave that.
It's not. That's why they have the basket thing over there.
Yeah. Ooh, it might hit 100.
Yeah,
Might hit
75. Maybe. Yeah, look at you.
Just about.
What you see with the suspension?
I mean, so far what we see is the rotor.
Yeah.
You can see it's cracked. Let me lower the car so you guys can see it better. Possibly the caliper, because this is the e-brake caliper. It looks like it's bent, and you don't want to go cheap with that. It's an emergency brake, so you're gonna want to get that.
Right.
Um,
Yeah, it said something on the console. It was like brake failure or something.
yeah, maybe so. Yeah.
From that.
Yeah, and you can see right now when we move it, it has a lot of play. So there's a bearing inside, in between, that keeps the wheel spinning. That looks like that's up too. So I think they're gonna do the bearing and possibly the axle too, because it pushed it in. And you can see from underneath, all the way down here, it's starting to leak oil. If it banged, we can't really tell because it's like the parts are all scattered, and it's just hard to see when they're bent.
Right.
We will only know when we get the new one and compare them.
Oh, okay, right.
Yeah.
So you'll probably just put in an order for that.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's off. Damn.
You didn't hit the body too much.
No. Wow.
Definitely a new wheel.
Tire stickers. I need a new tire stickers.
You're gonna need new tires anyway. Yeah.
Just yesterday. Yeah.
Burnout. All them burnouts, man.
But you said the fronts were okay.
The fronts do look fine.
Yeah.
They're a lot thicker.
Yeah.
It's only a rear drive
Yeah.
base model. You know what I mean?
Base model.
Not considered a supercar.
You don't consider it a supercar?
Oh no, what's this?
Right here.
What's that from?
That's like the cover for just the front.
Huh.
Yeah. But I mean, it's nothing big, but.
When the insurance guy comes, I'm gonna recommend the whole right side because the impact it had was pretty bad.
Yeah.
You could see it on the rim. You know what I mean? That
Yeah.
took a lot of inertia right there.
Yeah.
So 100% recommend the whole right side suspension on this car. The air ducting for the brakes is destroyed too.
For more great videos from Kali Muscle, hit the subscribe button or click the video now.